Hello, this is Algebra 1, topic 4-3. We're talking about the powers of monomials. So, finding the power of monomial is kind of like a big stamp. And that 3x to the fourth is 3x times 3x times 3x times 3x. And so, essentially, the exponent tells you how many times to stamp out the monomial. So let's go ahead and look at number 1. Well, this would be m cubed, so that means we have 4 of those. 1, 2, 3, 4. And remember from our last lesson, we add exponents when we multiply. So 3, 6, 9, 12 is m to the 12. You can also think of this as 3 times 4 is 12. Let's go and look at number 2. This would be negative 4mn times negative 4mn. Well, negative 4 times negative 4 is a positive 16. M times m makes m squared, and n times n makes n squared. Essentially what we're doing is negative 4 squared is 16, m squared is m squared, and n squared is n squared. So you can see them as stamped out, or hopefully you're noticing the pattern and can do the shortcut. Let's go and stamp them out one last time. 4a to the third b squared, and we'll need that 4 times. Well, 4 times 4 times 4 times 4 is the same as 4 raised to the 4th power, 256. A to the third times a to the third make a to the 6th, a to the 9th, a to the 12th. 2, 4, 6, 8. Now I want you to notice something. The number I apply the exponent to. So this becomes 4 to the 4th, which makes 256. For the exponents, I multiply. 3 times 4 gave me 12, and 2 times 4 gave me 8. This is the method that I want you to use for the rest of these, because writing these out is going to start getting a little bit complicated. So let's go ahead and take a look at number 4. Now, order of operations says that we have to apply these exponents first. So that means I'm going to do 1/3 cubed, p cubed, q cubed, and then 3 squared. P to the 3 times 2 makes 6. Q to the 4 times 2 makes 8. And now we multiply these out. Well, 1/3 cubed is 1 times 1 times 1 times 1 is 1. 3 cubed makes 9. Well, 3 squared makes, 3 cubed makes 27. Not 9, but 27. 3 squared makes 9. And now we combine our p's. 3 and 6 make p to the 9. 3 and 8, 8, 9, 10, 11. And now we do 1/27 times 9. And we get 1/3. P to the 9th, Q to the 11th. Hopefully this is making sense. So move on to example number 5. We have to apply the exponent first. So that means the 5 is still there, times 2 squared. And then x, 3 times 2 makes 6. And then y, there's a 1 there. Y, 1 times 2 makes 2, so y squared. Well, 2 squared makes 4. 5 times 4 makes 20. X to the 6th, y squared. That's our first page. Let's go ahead and move on to our second page. Problem number 6. Here we have exponents of exponents. So we're going to work inside first. Negative 2 x squared raised to the 3rd power. Well, it's negative 2 cubed. X to the 2 times 3 makes 6. Then we're going to square it. Well, negative 2 cubed is negative 2 times negative 2, which is positive 4, times a negative 2 makes a negative 8. Now we apply the squared. So we have negative 8 squared. X to the 6 times 2 makes 12. Well, negative 8 times negative 8 makes a positive 64. X to the 11th. 12. Now these next four examples are a little bit of a review. X squared plus x squared, they are the same, so that gives me 2 x squareds. Now x squared times x squared, 2 plus 2 makes 4. So we have x to the 4th. Now if I try to do 2x to the 4th plus x to the 3rd, these are not the same. So I can't do anything. So it remains 2x to the 4th plus x to the 3rd. But if I multiply them, 2 times 1 makes 2, and x to the 4th plus x to the, plus 4 plus 3 make 7. So we have x to the 7th. So just a reminder of our previous lessons, we can add them only if the letters are rendered exactly the same. These are both x squareds. I can add them together. These are not, so they do not add together. And when we multiply exponents, we add them. 2 plus 2 makes 4, and 4 plus 3 makes 7. So, hopefully these rules make sense to you, and they're not too confusing. Good luck on your assignment, and have a good day.